Betty, talk a little bit about how you started the design process for such a huge garden.
Well, I'm an avid reader, and I've loved reading old garden books and magazines, and having come from a small cluster development and coming to this yard, I realized right away that one of the things I needed to learn was scale about gardening, because most of the things I planted at first were way too small. My borders were too small, my beds were too small. And then I discovered I needed some focal point in the garden, and I wanted to do something that would complement our porch. So when we would sit on the porch, then we had something to look at. I saw a picture of an alley, and I thought, this is exactly what we need to do in my garden, because I already had the fountain here, but there was nothing beyond the fountain. And I liked the idea of also the column plant, vertical structure in the garden. So the older gentleman that was helping me plant at the time, we came up with the idea of the alley, and then having a focal point at the end of the alley, which is now the gazebo.